Hi guys, welcome to the Reference channel. I'm super excited to get this wonderful boom and crash strategy. So this strategy is a spike strategy, and as you can see now that I use this strategy to catch spike live with boom and crash. So I'm using the strategy to catch spike, and I make sure I catch spike using the strategy before I told you guys how you guys are going to make use of strategy to catch spike as well. This strategy is mainly used to catch spike. So it's a spike detector strategy, and it's one of the key strategies you can be using to make money through the boom and crash. So consider that I've already run into a $90 plus profit. So I will be expecting more spike here in this trade, and if it doesn't give me more spike, so I'll be closing out. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also now post notification when I put a strategy. You guys should be aware. So now, before we dive into the strategy, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification so that I put a strategy. You guys will be aware. Also, guys, we do something with your FA account management. So if you want to join us for account management, you can contact this number you are seeing at the screen. So you just contact us, then we talk about the terms for account management, and if you agree, then we are going to manage your account for you. So with that being said, you want to also join our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel for free signals. The link is going to be in the description below, so you can join our Telegram channel for free signal. So let's dive into today's strategy. So this strategy is not going to be long. So just simple strategy is a spike detector strategy. So I'll be explaining this strategy to you, and then I'll show you guys the setup for this strategy. So now you can see something that we know in our. So let me first go to the explanation. So before I show you guys the settings for this strategy, so I first explain to you guys about this strategy. But let me first so I want to sorry. So now that we can see this clearly, I don't know what's wrong with my network. So now that we can see this chart clearly now, we can see this RSI line clearly. So my network somehow manipulates, so I need to go where this network is. So now that we can see this RSI line now, so now what are we expecting now to catch spike using strategy? With this spike detector strategy. Now I want to quickly show you guys something right here. So you can see something right here. Now from here you can see when all this line touches the 90 levels of the RSI, do what? It spike to the downside. Whenever the RSI touches, whenever the line touches the RSI at the 90 levels, then you can see that we have a spike. So that is just that on the strategy. So you just have to wait for this line to touches the 90 levels of the RSI, and when that touches happen, then you want to catch spike. Now how do you know that the spike is going to be occur right at this 90 level? Now this is what you need to do, and you first have to shoot your 5-minute time frame. Then when you get your 5-minute time frame, you're expecting that now you must see that let's say that this is where the market spike last. This is where the market spike like so I had see that this is where the market spike like. Now when it spikes to the downside, you can see when it starts trending back to the upside. Now we're expecting that whenever you almost get to this area that it first spike, then you are aiming to catch spike right at that area as well. So that is the key zone. That is the key zone right here. Then when you spot that area using your horizontal line, when you spot that area out using your horizontal line, then you are going to switch your 1-minute time frame. So you just have to wait for a clear entries. So you have to wait for a clear entries, which means that you are going to wait for it to touches. When it touches, you can see right here. So whenever it touches, then don't hesitate to open your position. Don't hesitate to open your position. Then you catch your spike. It's so easy so easy with the strategy, then you catch your spike. That is how you guys are going to make use of this strategy. Just simple as that. Now for boom, I don't want the video to be much longer. For boom, now the same thing applies for boom. Then you want to see that you can see this is the area that the market spike last, then trend back to the upside. Now when it traces back to this area, you want to use your horizontal line to spark that area out. So you want to use your horizontal line to spark that area out. Now the next thing you are going to wait for is your switch your 1 minute time frame. So whenever you switch your 1 minute time frame, then you are expecting to see that whenever the price almost touching this area right here, you want to see that this line is at the 10 levels of the RSI. Then whenever it happens, then you are going to open for your position. I'm very sure that you are going to catch spike with this strategy. This strategy is an accuracy strategy, and I also been using strategy to catch spike. Just simple spike data strategy. Okay, so as simple as that, this strategy is somehow simple. So just quick spike data strategy that we have been using as well, and can also benefit from this strategy. So I'll be showing you guys the settings for this strategy now. Now what you have to do is just go to the icon you are seeing at the top. So you are going to go to this icon you are seeing at the top right here. So go to this icon right here. Then when you click on it, then you are going to click on this air plus. Let me first list everything up. So you'll be starting from scratch. Let me list everything up. So you'll be starting from scratch. So now you can see that I have a clean chart now. So what you have to do is you go to the icon and click on the F plus right here. So when you click on the F plus, then you are going to be first add your RSI. You're going to first add your RSI, which you are seeing right here. So add your RSI up, click on the RSI, and this is the parameters for the RSI. The period is going to be 1.5, apply to close. You don't need the style. So the level is going to be 10 and the 90 levels. So when you set that up, then click on done, and you have your RSI right in your chart. Now the next thing you are going to do is you go to the icon, click on the F plus. Now it's going to be on the indicator window 1. So click on the F plus, and then you're going to be adding your moving average. So we need 4 moving average now. So we need the first moving average. The parameters of these parameters, the period is 1, shift 0. The method is going to be exponential, apply to weighted close, and then this time I'm going to be using the red color. So when you click on that, you click on done time, you have your line in your chart. Now the second indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be the moving average. So this moving average is going to be 2. Now same thing, you just have to change the color, changing the color. So we set that up, then you are going to be adding the next moving average. We are going to 4 moving average. We are going to 4 to the number 3. Just have to be changing the color. So click on done, and then we are going to be adding the last one, which is number 4. So we are going to be adding the last one now. So to number 4. So now let me use this color. So now this is everything that you need for the strategy. This all you need for this strategy. So that's how you guys are going to set your strategy up. Then start using it. Make sure you pattern the strategy, figure out how it works in your trading system. Make sure you apply it to your own strategy, and then start making money with this strategy. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on your post notification so that for this strategy you guys will be aware. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because you're going to get a lot of benefits from this channel. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can totally join for free. Join our Telegram channel for free signals. And then if you want us to manage your account, then you can contact the number you're seeing at the screen for account management. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.